We talk football SA, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. Masendawana nithini?
Athina sithi igame injalo vele, igame ayina therefore. Yeah. The only thing regarding we're not losing and then our benefit asilo, our benefit asilo. We are all equal. So we're still on top, bro. Yeah. I'm a
nisho njalo nami baba. Awukhuphuka nayo sisela. Bona sky is the limit. Basho thina.
Sihamba nayo.
Ngitsileke sihamba nayo wethu. Nasena
Amabhakaniya nithini kiyo?
Bavele bakhose.
bayathi ukuthi bashabi. Because yabo always every season version 2 bahlala la.
Asikhulume kodwa kule season amabhakani angathi aniphe i-competition etough.
Yeah, hiyo le season le. Yeah, ngiyayibona nami ne. It's difficult. But they know what. Sundowns is on top always every season.
Man of the match, Gima.
I don't know man of the match. What? How many teams? Yes, too much. Yes.
No, get it. Get it, Sundawan. We talk football SA. Thank you.